Hey everyone, we got tomatoes in. These are the big boys. These are, I believe, the early girls. The tag's in here somewheres. And these are the midnight snacks. Yep, they're the midnight snacks. We got peppers down here. We got some bell peppers in. These are alpinos. These are some more California sweets. Type of bell pepper. But that's where we're at with the garden. The reason for the hay, and it's not to plant seed in the garden. It actually stops the sun from beating on the soil and drying it out. And the hay will carry moisture. You know, anybody's ever wore a black shirt in summer knows it's hotter. So what do? We cover the soil up, cover up some of the blackness, and the moisture in the soil will stay there for longer. We've had 80-something degree temperatures in the last few days, but next week is going to drop down in the 60s, maybe 50s or 40s. Who the hell knows this, Virginia? But it also adds an insulation barrier, and that's the main thing. Is exactly what it is: insulation barrier. It stops moisture from leaching. It allows everything to breathe. But that's where we're at. Our onions are looking beautiful. Look at that, folks, already. It's been, what, 2.5 weeks? Tell me that's not gorgeous. That is so pretty already. Them onions are doing great. But that's where we're at here. We're going to toss this a little more light hay in this bed. Just go over it. The sun's already out. It's nasty. It's going to hit 80s today. Oh, here's my tag. Yep, these are the early girls. But what are you going to do, folks? Hot, cold, rain, snow. Doesn't matter what it is. When you're on a farm, you're homesteading, you got to work. Have a great day. Talk to you guys later.